In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your property name on Booking.com Extranet. If you've recently rebranded, corrected a spelling, or want your listing name to better reflect your property, updating it in the Extranet is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and how to get it approved smoothly. First, log into your Extranet. Open your browser and go to admin.booking.com. Then sign in with the same details you use to manage your property. If you manage multiple listings, make sure you're viewing the correct property before you proceed. A stable connection helps here so nothing times out while you're making changes. Once you're in, navigate to your property settings. At the top menu, go to Property, then select General Info and Property Status. This section holds the core details of your listing, so it's the right place to make official changes to how your property appears to guests on Booking.com. Inside General Info and Property Status, look for the Property Name field. Click into it and type the new name exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to follow Booking.com's naming guidelines. Keep the name clear and accurate, and avoid anything that could be misleading. Don't use excessive punctuation, emojis, or special characters, and steer clear of promotional text like superlatives or all caps. The goal is a professional, guest-friendly name that matches how your property is known offline, such as signage or branding. If your property is part of a chain or a collection, make sure the naming convention is consistent with your other listings. It's also worth noting that Booking.com may review your new property name before it goes live. This is normal and helps ensure all listings meet the same standards. Minor edits are often approved quickly, while bigger changes that look like a rebrand might take a bit longer. During this time, your current name will remain visible to guests until the new one is approved. When you're happy with the new name, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save or Change Property Name. You should see a confirmation message indicating the update has been submitted. If a review is required, the status may show as pending. You can continue managing your rates, availability, and messages as usual while you wait. And that's it. Log in, go to Property, open General Info and Property Status, update the property name, and save. With a clean, compliant name, your listing will look professional and be easier for guests to recognize.